In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. In this video we are going to discuss lecture number 9. Chapter 1 of Computer Science for 9th class. So, stay with us. Today's topic is advancements in 1950s to 1960s. In early 1950s, two important engineering inventions were introduced. First was magnetic core memories and second invention was transistor circuit elements. These machines were very expensive and complicated to operate. Work on a single problem at a time. During this period, new equipment and accessories are offered like card readers, printers, cathode ray tubes. These are used in businesses like accounting, payroll, inventory control, ordering supplies, and billing. Central processing units or CPUs used in these devices were slow and were used to access large amount of records on a computer file. Please like this video and subscribe our channel.